Hey, what's up guys, this is Roy and welcome to another brand new video on this channel. And today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can make a quick charger really fast, maybe within a minute. So for this project you need a power supply between 6 to 32 volt, probably more than 12 volt will be awesome. I have an old laptop power supply. It's 19 volt 2.1 amps, so near about 38 watt laptop power supply. So you can use any power supply voltage above 12 volt. Even you can use a battery. Negative in, positive in. Positive, and here we have negative. Let's power it on. Powered on. Blue light is on. And now this thing is called USB safety tester, so you can test any kind of USB devices, test its capacity, voltage. It's displaying the voltage is 5.21 amp0. So now I'm going to charge our phone. Now the phone is charging at 6.45 volt, 2.58 amps. Connecting with a Xiaomi quick charger power bank. It's taking 5 volts, 0.52 amps, and just is increased to 12 volt, 1.72 amps, and it's consuming 19.49, about 20 watt. It's a quick charging buck converter. It can charge up to 24 watt. This is huge, and it's become a little bit warm right now. That's how you can build a quick charger using a laptop power supply, and it's pretty cheap. It's available on ebay.com around $2.95. So if you want to check it, click on the link in the description below. So guys, thanks for watching. Meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.